On June 15, 1991, at 1:42 p.m., the island of Luzon in the Philippines was faced with the second largest volcanic eruption in the 20th century, the eruption of Mount Pinatubo. This eruption had a devastating impact not only on the local environment and people, but on a global scale as well.
Danger of a catastrophic volcanic eruption in the Philippines may be passing, but tens of thousands of people who have already lived through several smaller eruptions are taking no chances. They have fled their homes, and the U.S. military is pulling out all 20,000 dependents from the islands. The death toll from the newly awakened volcano called Mount Pinatubo, now around 100 and climbing.
For hours on end, it came down, a blizzard of volcanic ash and debris, whipped furiously by the wind and rain of a powerful tropical storm. Nearly 100,000 terrified Filipinos fled their towns and villages. Many huddled through the night in makeshift evacuation centers. Only with morning did they learn the full extent of the disaster. Towns more than 25 miles away were nearly buried in ash and mud. The roofs of buildings collapsed under the weight of the sludge. A church, a bus station, a row of small businesses, all in shambles. Several people...
Nung pumutok po kasi ang Pinatubo, 1991 yan. At I think June or July. So tanaw namin na para siyang cauliflower yan. Nasa Botolan po kami sa Santiago kasi andun po yung mga magulang ko. So bakit napunta kami ngayon dito sa Cawag? Kasi meron kaming tinatawag na nomadic culture, yung kami ang mga katutubong palipat-lipat. So mayroon kaming lupain sa Botolan, may lupain din kami sa San Marcelino at may lupain din kami dito. So ito yung mga lugar na kung saan ay nagkaroon ng mga resettlement. Pero binalikan pa rin namin yung dati naming lugar at pag-aari ng aming mga ninuno, itong lugar na ito.
Also known as Cawag Hexa, 25-kilometer trail boasting 2,100 meters of elevation gain, and the journey across 6 distinct peaks carved by time and wind. The route begins with a rocky technical ascent, raw and rugged with solid stones, ridge lines, and steep pitches set the tone early, testing the footing and resolve. But as you rise, the trail opens up, revealing endless grasslands rolling like waves. Look west, and you'll be greeted by the unmatched views of the West Philippine Sea. Deep blue waters, dramatic coves, and beautiful coastline make every summit a rewarding worth earning. Each of the 6 peaks offers a new vantage point, a fresh angle of the sea, the coves, and the vast landscape below. This land holds more than beauty. It holds heritage. The mountains and grasslands you traverse were awarded to the Eta tribe and remain under the care and protection of the National Commission of Indigenous People. Every ridge, every valley, every viewpoint is part of their ancestral domain, a place preserved by tradition, spirit, and cultural roots.
Everything is crazy.
Oh, this is amazing. Because if you see it,
Getting everyone to go there.
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood mountains back in Zambales. It's the right season to climb up here during Burr months up to February. Here with gang Kevin here, and there are 11 of us now, and it seems like it's going to be a clear and sunny day.
2008, naging tribal chieftain ako. Umupo ako ng 10 years. Pero nung 2008 na yan, mayroong isang mountaineers sa Pinoy Mountaineers, ang pangalan niya si Sir Gideon Lasco. He is a physician. Humingi ako ng tulong sa kanya na kung ano ang magagawa niyang paraan dito sa lugar namin. At sinabi ko rin naman sa kanya na siguro ipakilala mo ang lugar namin, maging kami ng mga tribo dito, tribo ng Amyanan, para magkaroon ng trabaho yung mga tao. So nag-umpisa yan. 2008 yung talagang kasagsagan ng karamihan ng mga mountaineers. Pero natatandaan ko mga year 2000 to 2003, yung talagang paisa-isa pa lang. So maliit pa lang ang registration noon, pero sobrang pagpapala na yan sa amin. At sa biyaya ng Panginoon, hindi sa pagbubuhat ng sariling upuan, alam po ng lahat ng tao dito na tayo po yung naging way, naging daan para magkaroon po ng trabaho yung mga tungkay dito. So nakilala yung pagkatao natin, nakilala din po yung number natin, hanggang sa, ayan na po, nakikinabang na ang karamihan po dito sa lugar namin.
To avoid the tan line.
Just 9:30 and we're cooking.
Oh, is that a bait that's gonna fucking come up?
Sweating, we're cooking. I just got a word. John is backing out. Got a knee problem. And also heard that Keiko and Tony are also accompanying him to the emergency exit route. Too bad. But I hope they get back safely.
Syndrome. We're talking about hypoxia. Apparently I suffered it a couple of weeks ago. But it's crazy because you start hallucinating, you start seeing like cats and dogs morphing from the trees and the peripherals of your eye. It's so fascinating.
It's when you hear colors and see music.
Had a short break. The only tree cover of the trail. We had sufficient water. Had to fuel up. The last push, and it's blazing hot all the way there. Mount Dayungan. Di para level up.
Then you come running to me. Hey, yeah, then you come running to me. I said, hey, come running to me. Oh, come running to me. Hey, yeah, come running to me. Hey, come running to me. Oh, come running to me. Hey, yeah, come running to me.
What's your message for John?
Lose ever. I don't say anything yet.
Not yet. Down to the uphills. Now it's mostly down and flat, but you still have to be careful. Don't want to injure yourselves. Most accidents happen downhill. Everyone's looking great. So critical point, a lot of people are running out of water, so we decided to skip Redondo again, but it's okay, we all enjoyed, and the highlights of the trail is in the first 5 anyway, so no worries, no regrets, got to do it safely.
Pinagkakakitaan po na isa sa pinagmamalaki po namin dito, yung paggawa ng mga handicraft, ng mga souvenirs. Isa sa malaking tulong ang gobyerno natin dahil dati po walang school, nagkaroon ng school ng elementary hanggang sa high school. At hindi lang yon, napakalaki din ng ibinigay ng mga NGO ng government natin para magbigay ng puhunan. Actually, nagkaroon ng babuyan, manukan.
So we actually missed a turn and ended up doing the Cawag Hexa. Yeah, I think the guide misunderstood my instructions, but here we are. Bittersweet, huh? Bittersweet. We actually did the Hexa.
This is a full song that I'm okay.
No, you don't
Give up, I like it. I like that. Good job, man. We are not like Jaws.